Welcome to Best Prompt Generator for AI.com, your all-in-one destination for creating smarter AI prompts in seconds. Visit bestpromptgenerator.com, explore our growing collection of prompt tools, templates, and guides, and start generating smarter prompts today. Are you a recruiter, HR professional, or hiring manager looking to save time and hire smarter? In this video, I'll show you how to generate professional AI prompts for recruiters using the Best Prompt Generator for AI. Whether you're hiring for a startup, small business, or large organization, the right AI prompts can help you simplify and speed up every stage of the recruitment process. Let's see it live. We'll use the Best Prompt Generator for AI.com website to create a professional recruitment prompt step by step. First, visit bestpromptgenerator.com. Next, open the Best AI Prompts for Recruiters page. Here you just need to put recruitment goal, job title, department, experience level, employment type, job responsibilities. Candidate qualifications. Generated prompt. Copy and paste on chat. Here you will get best result. Check it out. Ready to simplify your hiring process? Visit our website bestpromptgenerator.com, find the AI prompts for recruiters, and start generating powerful AI prompts for recruiters today. Explore hundreds of free AI prompt templates for HR, business, marketing, education, coding, productivity, finance, legal professionals, healthcare, and much more at bestpromptgenerator.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools, productivity tips, and educational content. Thanks for watching.